Hi guys, I'm going to show you how scales work. You know, bathroom scales, kitchen scales, industrial scales. Well, they use something called a strain gauge. To explain what a strain gauge is, I want to use a little analogy. If you've ever been exposed to some of the concepts that are involved in electrician's work, you might have heard of something called voltage drop. The idea is that if a conducting wire of any gauge is long enough, like if it were running from your service panel to a pool house many feet away, there would be a small loss in voltage. If there is voltage drop, then electricians need to include that in their calculations. This is all because the wire has resistance. Hypothetically speaking, the longer or thinner the wire, the higher the resistance and the more voltage is lost along the way. Again, hypothetically, the shorter and fatter the wire is, the lower the resistance. A strain gauge works on the same principle, but in a much smaller, more precise form. It's a tiny strip of conductive material glued to a piece of metal inside the scale. When you step on the scale, the metal bends slightly, and this bending stretches or compresses the strain gauge, which changes its resistance. Electricity is sent through the strain gauge, and because the resistance changes when it's under strain, the voltage measured across it changes too. By using an extremely sensitive material, the scale's electronics can translate that tiny voltage change into an accurate weight reading. So I hope you've got a feel for how a strain gauge works in a scale. Please subscribe for more content about how things work and to see other projects I've done.